What's up? Chilling on this roller coaster.
What is up, YouTube? Mandalario here. Today we're going to be going to Universal Studios Florida and Universal Studios Islands of Adventure theme park. It's been a while since I've been there, not since I've been a kid. Should be a good time, so hopefully you join us in the video today. Alright, and today I'm going to be filming with the Max Lens mod on the GoPro. And I'm going to be using the snap mount, which is a magnet mount. And I'm going to have this under my shirt so I can easily switch from this to this. And that way I can just hang out, enjoy the roller coaster, and you guys can see how we can see the roller coaster.
Quick disclaimer, I was not able to ride on any roller coaster and or rides with my GoPro because Universal. Alright, we're about to get on the bus to go to Universal Studios. There it is. Complimentary shuttle to Universal City. For Universal Resort guests only. Be ready to go through a metal detector. This is the boardwalk, the city walk. This takes you to the theme park. This is in the theme park. Anyone can go here.
Oh, okay, cool.
It's like at night, this place is probably a lot of people here. So this is Universal City Walk. This takes you to the theme parks in between. We're heading to Islands of Adventure theme park just to start off the day. But we have the 2-park pass, so we should be able to go to both parks. Should be a fun time. We made our way to the park to ensure we got a spot in line for Hagrid's motorbike adventure. Alright, so we are here waiting for Hagrid's motorbike adventure. Oh, the line's going. You will hear a bell if the ride is worth riding, but you'll hear a buzzer if it isn't. Although the line was a little long, we managed to still get on the ride. We had a great time until. All right, we're stuck on the bike here. What's up? Chilling on this roller coaster with everyone. Can't go anywhere. Despite this, we still thoroughly enjoyed the ride.
Y'all want to do Dr. Doom's Fear Ball? That's fine.
Hogwarts Castle is definitely an awesome sight. Fan or not, you'll definitely like the wizarding world of Harry Potter. Alright y'all, well, we haven't had much luck so far in Universal. We rode the Harry Potter roller coaster with the motorcycles, and that one kind of broke down on us. But luckily we got to experience the whole thing, and when they gave us a free pass to get in there.
The attraction skip pass is only given when a ride malfunctions. As much as we tried to use the passes, we kept getting lucky, and Universal didn't take them until the last day we were there.
Now we're gonna go ride to Universal Studios Florida on the Harry Potter train, because we need to get out of here. We need to ride more rides, because that's a midi island.
I don't know where to go.
There's Jaws. Time to ride the Fast and the Furious.
Little did I know, this was going to be one of the worst rides on this list.
Oh, 40 minutes? 40 minutes?
Consider reducing your 40-minute wait all the way down to wait time. Enter to a single ride.
All right, we're gonna try to ride Transformers, the ride 3D. 40-minute wait. That's what happens when you come to Universal Studios.
This was definitely worth the wait.
That's a Springfield bus.
All right, let's go.
Alright. Oh, babe. Mira. Mira. They also have Shrek 4D.
Ooh, hell
So
yeah.
that one should be like Transformers, hopefully.
Let's go here first.
We just rode the Transformers ride 3D. It was awesome. It was like our favorite ride so far at Universal Studios. We just got done with the Bourne ride. That was pretty cool. It was like a stunt spectacular. It was fun. All right, Shrek 4D is next.
I snuck my GoPro in here, that's why it's all bouncy. Had to keep it undercover.
Revenge of the Mummy is next.
It did rain every afternoon we were in Universal Studios, so definitely keep that in mind if you're gonna try and ride roller coasters.
SpongeBob. So now we're making our way to the E.T. ride. E.T. Adventure.
Yeah, go like that.
Back to the Future, the DeLorean. Duff Beer. What's up, baby? You relaxing?
I got a bruise. Check out my bruise.
Ooh, damaged goods right there.
That's two. One and then now.
How did that happen?
Go figure. E.T.'s Adventures. It wasn't even a bad ride. It's when you just sit there. Foot slip. On my defense,
Danger.
it was dark. It was a dark room.
Danger follows you. Simpsons ride. Let's see what this is all about.
Diagon Alley is next to Hogwarts Express. It can be easy to miss as it hides behind a brick wall.
There it is. There's the main Universal sign. Alright, we're still day one at the park. Now we're back to Islands of Adventure, and we're gonna do Jurassic Park River Adventure. All right, after a long day, we're here at the Harry Potter part of the world, and we're about to see the light show to end our first day at Universal Studios and Universal Studios Island of Adventure theme park.
Stay tuned for ranking results.
The Velocicoaster, how'd you handle it, baby?
It was fun after I threatened to kill you.
She was having a panic attack right before we got on. She almost didn't get on though.